Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? In today's video, we will learn to draw Saraswati Mata. So without any further delay, let's start draw. We have taken A3 size paper to make the picture of Saraswati Mata, and we have got Dom's HB pencil to draw the lines. So in the first step, we learn to give the correct shape of body. Always remember that when we start drawing, the pencil should always be moved lightly. If we run the pencil dark in the beginning while drawing, then if something goes wrong, we will have a lot of trouble in spoiling it. And line will be formed on our paper which looks very ugly. It can also tear our paper. Okay, so now we have got it in good shape. Now we will take Dome's 4V pencil which is darker than HV pencil to make the face. First of all, we will make a round shape to make the head. Then we are going to split it into two to make ear and eyes. After this, we will make the eyebrow and eyes and bindi in the middle of eyebrow. Next, we will draw the nose and smiling lips. Okay guys, now we will make crown and jewelry. Similarly, we will make the shape of Ma Saraswati. We will also draw peacock and swan as they are often seen in the picture of Mata Saraswati. Use any pen for outline. I use black gel pen. Use any black color to dye the hair. I have used marker because it is darker than pencil colors. We have used Faber-Castell color pencil for coloring. You can take any brand color pencil. Mother Saraswati is called the goddess of knowledge. Because of her we get knowledge, and without knowledge we are nothing. Mother Saraswati wears white cloth, is sitting on a white lotus holding a veeda in her hand and weights in one hand and Rudraj mala in other hand. Swan is the vehicle of goddess Saraswati. We know Saraswati Mata by the name of Sarda, Bharati, Hansvani, etc. I hope this video was helping to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.